I can make a video of myself like wiping my ass and I'll probably get 2 million views. Alright, so this one's gonna be more of a fun video, okay? I'm gonna go through a couple of TikTok accounts and see who the hell is dropshipping on here and how much money they're actually making doing this. There's a lot of freaking potential on this app. We have a whole course about this, by the way. If you haven't watched it, we go through tons of videos and how to actually replicate viral videos that made us thousands of dollars using TikTok organic reach. So, like I said, I'm gonna go through a couple of videos, see what we can find here. Let's do this. Okay guys, so the first one I see here is called My Car Finds, and now obviously I'm not gonna look at the video yet, but just by looking at this, I could just tell already this is gonna be a dropshipping store. And look, was I wrong? I've been doing this for almost 4 years now. So, click on the link, you see the products here. These are definitely from AliExpress, and you know, $20. It's so easy to sell stuff on TikTok that's under like $30, guys, okay? Because think about it. Would you think that much for a $20 purchase? I don't know about you guys, but if anything's under like $100, it's a pretty easy decision for me, I would say. It doesn't require much thinking. You can kind of just look at it and be like, okay, that's cool, I'll buy it. But, you know, obviously some people are different, but this is literally 20 bucks, guys. And the amount of money this guy's probably making is probably really, really crazy. This is all free, by the way. He's not running any ads. He's just posting videos on his freaking TikTok and is probably generating thousands and thousands of dollars. He has a simple website, guys, literally. Simple drop shipping, couple products. Again, fast charging car wireless charger. This thing probably makes bank, I'm not gonna lie. And what's he have here? He's in his Mustang. I actually might know this guy, I'm not even capping. Like, I think I actually know this guy because he just bought a Mustang. And look, this video here has 1.6 million views just for this stupid video here. Let me just turn down the volume just in case because my mic's attached, but this video literally has like 1 million views, and all he's doing, he's just plugging the fucking outlet into his car. How does that even get 1 million? Guys, like, if you're not using TikTok right now, you're actually fucked, because it's so easy to get sales. Like, you can literally make a video, like, I can make a video of myself like wiping my ass and I'll probably get 2 million views. And if I was selling the toilet paper that went with it, I would probably make at least $5,000 in sales, at least. Okay, guys, if the video's viral and the video sells and people actually want it, people will buy it. I'm not kidding. Okay, again, all of his videos get at least 5-figure views. So that, you know, like the way I think of it, guys, like, to get 10,000 views on Facebook, like for a video ad, you gotta spend at least a couple $100s to get 10,000. And that obviously depends on which countries you're targeting. If you're targeting worldwide, you can spend like $50 and get 10,000 views, okay? But if you're targeting like solid countries that actually generate you money, like USA, you know, T4, USA, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, those countries there, you're gonna have to spend a couple $100s to get a decent amount of views on your videos. This guy's posting for free and he's getting this, again, another video here, 1 million views for this video. Every single video is the same, and all he's doing is, and he's plugging in this stupid little light and it's showing up on his ceiling in his car. It's a pretty cool product. I'd actually buy this for my car too. It's pretty awesome. But am I in the market to do that? Not really, but it is a cool little item. If I saw it, like, I wouldn't order this online, but like if I saw it at like, you know, a Marshalls or something, or like Winners, I would buy it. You know, it's a cool little thing that you don't really need, right? But again, guys, he's literally not spending any money whatsoever, and he's generating, I just know he's generating thousands because it's such an easy product to sell. There's not much like persuasion to be done. Like, most people in that demographic own a car anyways. Like, car people have cars, and for someone looking in the market for that, obviously they own a car. They might even like they might even drive their parents' car. They might want it for their parents' car or whatever. So it's a very, very easy product to sell. But I just thought that was really, really cool to showcase on here. All right, guys. So I was just scrolling through my feed again, and again, really quick. I don't want to go through too many, but just to give you guys the points. It must be really fun to sell jewelry on here. I'll be honest, because the costs are literally so low. This thing, like these products here, probably cost like $2, if not less. And they probably sell them for like 20 bucks. Now, these guys don't have an e-commerce store, but I know right away that they probably have some sort of store like on their Instagram or something. So like, let's just go check that out really quick. It doesn't look like they do, but they definitely do like in-house orders or something. Like obviously it's a store, right? So again, you know, these guys aren't too viral yet because obviously their videos aren't that great, but you know, this one has about 18,000 views, and that can do some damage for you guys, especially if you're not familiar with the TikTok algo. Like if you guys launch a couple videos and say out of 10 videos, one of them goes viral and you get 100,000 views, I'm telling you, the spike in traffic and the spike in your sales is going to be literally so crazy. You can use all that data for retargeting on Facebook. It literally makes no sense to me why people still don't use TikTok. There's even brands that don't use TikTok right now, like huge brands. Like we're talking like major clothing brands that don't even, I don't want to disclose any names, but we're talking like huge clothing brands that don't even use TikTok yet, and it actually makes me really sad. To be like, you know, there's so much potential, and I kind of want to stay low key, like not gonna lie, because you know, just the potential of it. And just a quick one before we go, guys, because I literally have 2 minutes left on the camera. Again, found another one. It's called Brush Me. They have their website. It's an e-commerce website. Okay, they literally sell toothbrushes. Everyone brushes their teeth. Like if you don't brush your teeth, you're like, I don't know what's wrong. Like you have to brush your teeth, right? And these videos get thousands of views, guys. Thousands. This one has 1.7 million views for this toothbrush video. This toothbrush video has 1.7 million. You can see the potential here, guys, okay? You just have to be creative, post videos consistently on a daily basis, post at least 1 to 2 times a day, post videos that work in the past, use popular hashtags, use popular sounds, and I'm telling you guys, you will see massive results with your TikToks. I'm not even kidding. Please try it. If you need help, you can ask us. Okay, so that pretty much wraps up for this video, guys. I just wanted to make that really quick just to show you the potential and just literally showcase it out there. Just use TikTok, please. You will not regret it. I'm telling you, it's so powerful, okay? Those are some stories that I found. You guys go replicate those videos. You can even look at them because they're in the video. You can replicate those and use them for your TikToks, and you can see how they do it. Use the same trends, use the same hashtags, like I said, and you guys will be very successful with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a subscribe and a like. That way the YouTube algorithm can view it and see it, get it shown to thousands of people across the globe. We will appreciate that so much. And again, guys, we love you. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.